Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the 1 hour chart here, we are looking at a triple 1-2s. And we are currently in the orange 1-2, which is the smallest yet. And then we are looking for a correction definitely here, which it should be, of course, your wave 4 related to your wave 2 exactly here in time, and yeah, we're in fibs as well. So taking the time here, we did not reach yet the 0.618, at least for a wave 4 taken, of course, from your wave 2. And also we did not reach even the 0.23 fib level for this price action. However, what we are looking at, of course, inside this wave, which it has finished as a wave 3 in orange here, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 already finished. And then, of course, we are looking now at this wave 4 for you after your wave 3 top. Now, if we take a look exactly inside this correction here, we are looking, of course, for an A, B, and a C here, where we see definitely a kind of an A, B, C for your wave A, 3 waves down, 3 waves up for your B, and here we go, 1 wave C towards the downside. Now, as we can see, a very long wick. And this is exactly what our KGT indicator says. That he said, okay, the last signal was even still buy. That's true. There is some selling pressure, but there is no really strong signal of selling here. We are looking, even there is a pressure of buyers again. And as we can see, here we go. This long wick has been unfolding since a few minutes ago, and we are still looking now towards the upside, because if we did not finish yet this correction and you already finished an ABC with an impulsive wave here, if we go a little bit on the 15-minute chart, we can see that, okay, this wave C is kind of like 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5 possibly. Still reaching a little bit lower, because of course if you can count here, we can count, of course, like almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 1, and this was your wave, a very shallow wave 2, by the way, very shallow, and that means your wave 4 might be also very shallow in time, okay, very small in time, right? So we might dive again, of course, a little bit deeper to finish this wave C somewhere here, right? It's not done yet. However, as we can see on the KGT, we can see some buying, of course, pressure, but not really strong signal of buyers. It's just resistance, resisting the sellers, still with some opening position, long positions, and still looking for higher prices, of course. However, the price might be taken one more time, and then we might get a buying signal here, of course, after one more low, and of course then moving up in the 3 waves again, because I think, or I believe, that we are still in a correction even if we move higher. So I think we're gonna have like 3 waves towards the upside and 1 more lower wave C for a lower low, of course, and taking the fib time, taking also the 0.23 fib level, and therefore moving towards the upside. After, of course, at least hitting this area, and then a continuation, of course, towards the upside for a wave 5 in the orange, and finishing as well your wave 3 in the yellow scenario. So these are the insights, of course, for Solana. We're gonna check and see what's gonna happen. Of course, a little bit lower prices are recommended to finish, of course, this wave C. Otherwise, it is a WXY. Very obvious it is impulsive. So we're gonna need 1 more leg, and then moving towards the upside and a wave C possibly. So basically we are still okay on Solana. Of course, we need to see a correction, guys. This is not a bearish scenario. You are already looking at 3 waves here, and if the question is that an impulse, all of it considered as an impulse, because you can see as well, if you want to consider this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, so it is not because your wave 4 has interfered with your wave 1. So yeah, chill out. No bearish scenarios, guys. It's just a simple correction. Yeah, it might be very sharp. That's very, very recommended to have, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, we don't see any red candles since a long time. And this is, of course, what we gonna have in the top. It's gonna be a sharp. As you can see here, it is kind of like a zigzag, but it is not very deep, right? As you can see, as alternation, the rules of alternation in Elliott wave, well, this wave 2 is not really deep. It didn't went into the fib levels, right? Into the green box of the fib levels. So if we take here, let's check it out. That would give some good info. So if we have a wave 2 as an impulse, as you can see, we hit only the 0.5. Yeah, we just hit the 0.5, so it's not really sharp and deep. And therefore, your wave 4 should be sharp and deep. Yeah. So as an alternation, of course, between the wave 2 and the wave 4, if you don't have a deep wave 2, you might have a deeper wave 4. So very, very normal. We can even reach the 0.38 fib level at 207. It is very possible as well, but we're gonna see that after we get an A, B, right? We need the B yet, so we can get the fib level, and we'll see the projection of our wave, see where it's gonna be. So yeah, that's it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.